Okay, so Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Irham Wazini binti Muhammad Zaki. So today, inshallah, I will be explaining a little bit regarding document analysis, and it's for EDUC 7302 Qualitative Research Method. Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's get started. And the first slide is regarding the content. It have like five components that I want to cover, and the first one is what is document analysis, or the definition of it, the types of document analysis, what are the purposes of using it, the pros and cons, and how to analyze the document analysis or the method. Okay, so let's just jump into the definition, or what is actually document analysis. Okay, document analysis is one of the method to collect the data if you are doing quantitative research. As you guys can see from the slide, it is the seventh step, the data collection. So one of the methods is document analysis. Okay, so the real definition of it, it is a systematic procedure for reviewing or evaluating documents, both printed and electronic, computer-based and internet-transmitted material. Like other analytical methods in qualitative research, document analysis requires that data be examined or interpreted to gain the meaning or understanding and develop empirical knowledge. Okay, so this is by Corbin and Strauss. So the keyword is systematic procedure for reviewing and evaluating document. Okay, so that is the definition. Let's move to the types of document analysis. It have a lot of examples for document analysis, but I just list down like 16 examples of it. It have like public records, the media, private papers, biographics, visual document, minutes of meetings, strategies, policies, action plans, advertisement, books, of course, brochures, diaries, newspapers, clipping, or article. There's a lot of examples of document analysis. You guys can refer to the reference or the additional material that I will provide you at the end of the slide. Okay, so what are the purposes of using it? So if you use document analysis, what is the purpose, the aim, what is actually the distinguished features that differentiate document analysis compared to another method of data collection? So the first one is, it is means of triangulation to avoid potential biases and build credibility. So document analysis, if you guys like have three resources for your data collection, you will have like triangulation. One of it is document analysis. You will have like two other supporting method to support the document analysis. And but of course, document analysis can be used as standalone source. And for example, if you guys just want to use document analysis in your qualitative research, you guys can do it, no problem. Okay, so the next one is to enrich understanding of study in a more contextual manner. All observation of and interactions with environments provide information that shapes a researcher's holistic experience. Document analysis as well can provide historical or background information, and it can lead to new insights about the research, can track developments and changes in the study. It will give you supplements data, can be used to verify findings. So let's just move to the pros and cons of using document analysis. Okay, so the first pros, we will go to pros first, is the efficient method. Okay, because of why? Document analysis will provide you with something that is not time consuming. You can organize your own time. It just depends on you. It will save you more time and it's very efficient. And the availability, of course, the sources is a lot. As I provide you guys with the examples just now, there's a lot of document that you guys can analyze. It is cost effectiveness, lack of obstructiveness, and reactivity. It have the stability. Of course, if you have the document, you will have the constant data. It's not going to change like immediately. And of course, the exactness, because the data will be, like spot on. And the coverage, of course, because of you can control the coverage. You can choose what kind of document, what field did you want to do the analysis on. Let's move to the cons. So the first one is it can provide you insufficient detail and the low retrievability, and it can provide you with bias selectivity. So how to analyze the documents? The methods to do document analysis. It have like 3 steps. The first one is skimming, superficial examination. The second one is reading, thorough examination, and the third one is interpretation. Is basically you take a brief look first, and then after that you seriously study and examine the document, and after that you interpret. Depends on what kind of field or area do you want to interpret. So I will just like explain a little bit to you guys what is the content analysis and thematic analysis. You need to bear in your mind that document analysis is one of the method to do a data collection, but content analysis and thematic analysis is how you analyze the document. Okay, so it's a completely a different thing. So content analysis is the process of organizing information into categories related to the central questions of the research. And then let's move to thematic analysis. Is a form of pattern recognition within the data with emerging themes becoming the categories for analysis. So basically you kind of like analyze something based on the theme. So with that being said, I guess like let's move to the last slide. It's the conclusion. Use it and for triangulation, or it can stand alone. It is the method of data collection in doing qualitative research. So this is the references. So the second one is prezi.com. This is like the best thing I've ever found. If you guys want to know more about document analysis, just take a look, inshallah. So I guess naktafi bihazal qadar. That's all from me. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.